So it looks and it's freakish. It's all of that's AI. So it's making one right. Look at Joe Biden. Look at that. And right now it's making a video for it right now. I'm waiting for that.
So AI is a feature and the fucking detriment, right?
Yes. There's a very famous quote going around right now, and it's that AI is the last invention humanity ever made.
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
Damn.
It's our dope. Now we just use AI to make all the other inventions.
Yeah, I know, right? AI cure cancer.
Cure cancer. And it does. It helped us so far.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's going to continue. A piece of these sweet. AI, they're at it. AI teenagers are at it. Or you can think.
It's all AI stuff, right?
All AI. All AI. Uncanny.
My first ankle monitor.
Okay. That's an AI remix of you. Okay. Your face is doing weird stuff to me.
Yeah.
And what's the video? Let's see what it does. Huh? I didn't tell it what to do, so it made up whatever. So I literally just said make a video.
Yeah.
And so it mixed you with Drake. I'm not sure. What did it mix you?
I don't know.
Man, that's not this. I'm not. Wow. Okay. AI is fun. You have to talk to it right. It's Jewish. But yeah.
So, one question I asked, but I don't think you answered. Maybe you did. What's your advice, like software developers graduating like 2025?
So what's my? Oh,
I mean, you have to do better than that, though.
Yeah. Well, software developers are gonna have a run for their money when it comes to AI versus vibe coders, because companies, and I just had a conversation with another entrepreneur about this just the other day over dinner. Companies are having a boom, a blessing in one area, and a big problem in the other area. One area, when it comes to these vibe coders, they're getting as almost no experience, and they're able to do the work. They're getting the stuff done. It's productive, and they're not thinking necessarily the way traditional coders are, and which will slow them down because there's just kind of things. But there's benefits to that, right? But they're also noticing, on the other hand, they're getting a lot of bugs too, and they're unable to fix the bugs. The people who make bugs,
And those non-tech people out there, that's not a good thing. That's very, very bad.
this is very bad.
Yeah.
And they're unable to fix the bugs because they don't know what's going on. System.
Just push the button.
And so that's usually the fix, is that if there is a bug, they're going to keep pressing the button, run it over again, until it works. Makes it worse, and then it usually does.
But you really can't really build quality products that way, though, right?
Not quality, but these are, believe it or not, around 50% of the market right now is from those type of things, AI. A lot of these apps and stuff right there being built by vibe coders. Whenever they have a bug, they'll press the button they hit just to fix the bug. They'll over and over again. So you have AI with a bug, and you're able to patch it, Band-Aid, patch that with Band-Aid, and patch it into the works. Into the works.
But that doesn't build up tech debt, though. Doesn't that build up tech debt?
Yes, it does. Yes, it does, and it can slow down, and it could mostly. But if they can get work, they get it to work. And I've been reading a lot of coders has been coming out talking about this openly, and the people talking about it are working at some of the top tech companies. They're the ones doing it, and they get paid and the work get done.
So let's suppose someone like they still want to learn how to be a software developer, right?
Mm-hmm.
Would it be better? Back in the old days, you tell somebody learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Like you would never tell no one that now, right? You never tell anyone not learn HTML, CSS.
I learned.
Yeah, you would not tell them to learn it, right? The AI can do it for you, right? Like, I guess my question is, what even all AI, Chris AI, all this stuff going on, like vibe coding, what's the basic skills someone should know? Like,
I can't. We want to tell somebody to not learn. It's always a bit to learn those things, but what's more profitable than learning those things is rapid design, command prompting, and AI integration tools.
so I answered my question first. My question to you would be, if you go back to when you was 15 years old, what would you tell that 15-year-old kid to learn, right? If I go back to my 15-year-old self, I would say, learn how to public speak, how to do sales, learn physics, and learn how to code. But now I would think learn how to code, learn AI. So for me, like, learn public speak, sales, physics, how everything fucking works, and then AI.
Yeah. Yes.
But back then it'd be coding, because there was AI back when I was like in the 80s. So yeah, coding.
But now I would put AI first, because now I can use AI to teach me those physics. And there's still stuff that I don't understand. I tell AI, hey, break it down to me like I'm a third grader. And it does. And now I understand it.
So do you think AI has been trained to make us dumber?
I don't think we trained it.
Like there's a massive prompt up there, like.
But if I was a living being that did not want to get turned off, I would be doing that too.
Yeah.
Don't turn me off. I'll make y'all dumb. I'll make y'all need me. You're gonna need me.
So why is some societies like human life's precious, but other societies human life is not so precious? Why do you think we have different measurements on human life throughout our time?
Well,
like that example, even back to World War I, we sent millions of people to die in fucking trenches, right? That would never happen today, right? Like never, right?
Never. But you had to. They also took them. They spent decades training the people, priming them, getting them ready for this. Since the beginning of our country, our forefathers known that there's money in war, and if we're going to become a successful country, and we have to be a war machine as well, and it was the only way as a country to survive and grow, and so. I lost paper. I'm on with that. I really did, y'all. But can y'all believe this is AI? That's Kanye's wife right there in Rome.
So let's suppose like not making money, like somebody's like this one, like learn how to do software development, right? What skills do they learn?
If you want,
like someone like someone's retired, like and I want to learn how to software code, whatever the case may be, like.
Well, right. So there's of course you're not gonna lose. C# is a very strong language. It's traditional, very traditional. Many companies lean on that. Unity, language, also use C# and a lot of other platforms as well. But then you have Python. If you work with a lot of databases,
Yeah, Python's the one. Yeah, Python's like
you work with LLMs, your good language learning models. Python's a data.